You want this?
Good morning.
How you doing?
132 ounce.
Any drinks?
No, thank you.
I need liquid. And then for fries, you can insert or top. And then make sure to stop up there at that second tent and we'll bring the fries out to your car.
Thank you.
Thank you. Answer that question.
Oh, will you get the Dr. Pepper out of there? I'm sorry.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Great, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is.
That's the guy who owns it.
Oh, really?
The last man.
The fresh French fries opened in 1973. It's the same age as me. That's not the pickup that we were behind before.
I don't even look up.
All of the potatoes for the fresh French fries booth are grown in Big Lake, Minnesota.
The potatoes are Minnesota to potatoes?
All of them, yep.
Thank you.
Yep, enjoy.
Oh my God. Help me.
How the
Help
shit
me.
are you supposed to do this?
This is hard.
This is hard.
Look it to the right.
All of the booths are hoping to make 25%
Look
of
at the
their
left.
salary. Oh, scarecrow. Contract.
Look at the
Can't
big
throw
long,
you. It's out of control.
carrots they shriveled up. That's funny. Now we need to eat cheese curds.
We're skipping cheese curds.
Thank God.
Stop to eat?
No, isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
God, I love their French fries.
Turkey to go. Fresh French fries.
They're hot. Put a pile on their lap.
Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a pile in my lap.
And give her the rest. Here you go.
Are you eating them, Susan?
No, you can have those. I got these right here.
The fresh French fries are only at the Minnesota State Fair. In 2017, they became only the second certified kosher stand at the State Fair.
I'm a fan of.
What?
I didn't understand you.
That's okay.
Hey, there's Martel!
What?
Did we want cotton candy?
Yeah. Hi. One cotton candy and one caramel apple. Do you do credit? Yeah.
We do anything you want.
Nice.
You want nuts on your caramel apple?
You want nuts?
Amy.
Nuts?
13.
No nuts.
Wanda.
No, no.
Wanda. What, Mom? What's your pin?
I don't have one.
Skip.
Skip it. I've never had one.
That would have been a bad recording.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hold that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Caramel apple.
Have a great day.
You
Caramel
too.
apple. Oh. And giant bag of cotton candy.
Throw that in the trunk.
There's no-
There's a damn bee in the
Throw
car.
it in.
Get out! Bee in the
Throw it
car.
in.
It's August.
It's August. Bees exist in Minnesota in August.
How am I supposed to drive? This is called distracted driving, officer.
Oh shit.
You want to nail me?
Mom, here comes the caterpillar for your bingo.
Yeah, how am I supposed to play bingo?
I don't think that's a...
Are we supposed to play bingo and trivia? Life is partly what we make it and partly what is made by the friends we choose.
Monarch!
Pillar.
I just saw a monarch.
Really?